one way that logarithms can be used in the real world is to measure the decibel level of sound, how loud something sounds. So here's the formula that lets us calculate the decibel level of something. It's 10 times the log, and notice it's log base 10, so I can use my calculator, of the sound's intensity, which will be given to us, divided by this, which is a constant. It's called the threshold of human hearing, and it's approximately equal to about 10 to the negative 12th power, a very small number. Threshold of human hearing just refers to the very quietest sound that the average person can hear. You probably didn't even hear that on your speakers, but it's just a very, very quiet whisper. So don't get hung up on the labels with all this stuff. This isn't a physics class, so we're not going to worry about the labels. Let's just get able to be able to calculate this, calculate the decibel level using this formula. So we have a crying baby. Lovely. And we have the sound intensity given to us right here, 3.2 times 10 to the second. This is watts per square meter. Again, don't worry about labels. So here's how I'm going to get this typed in. I've plugged in my sound intensity for I, and then that 10 to the negative 12th is in the bottom of my fraction. You could try to type this in all at once, but you might make a mistake, so I'd recommend it this way. Let's work out the fraction part first. So I'm going to type in 3.2 and then times 10 to the second power. If you remember the EE button, which was right there, second comma, you can use that, otherwise don't worry about it. I want to divide that by 10 to the negative 12. Okay, so again, I'm doing this piece by piece rather than all at once in my calculator. So that gets me an answer of 3.2 times 10 to the 14th power. Next up, I need to do the log base 10 of that number. Some people think, well, we're going to do 10 times log. Log's an operation. You can't do 10 times an operation. It would be like saying 10 times addition. It doesn't make sense. So we're going to do the log of this answer we just got. So log base 10, which we can do on the calculator. And then watch this trick. I'll just hit second answer. So I don't need to type in what I just found. You can if you want to. So the log of that's about 14.5. And then finally, I've got to multiply that by 10, which I guess I don't need to do on my calculator, hopefully. You know how to multiply by 10. So I end up with a decibel level of about 145, and then your symbol for decibels is a lowercase d and a capital B. So once again, you don't need to worry about memorizing this formula. Don't get hung up on all the labels. All I want you to be able to do is use this formula when you're given a sound intensity.